Aye, aye, aye. Yeah, man, give me the paper, star sick. Me wake up to the mountain cry, birds them sing and I just sky. Why not whisper through the leaves, life ja weave. Me nail pencil, me feel the tone, earth no alone. Every heartbeat from the ground, sacred sound. Me hear the river talk at night, flowing with Jah light. It tell me truth me can't ignore, we need to love more. Me see the trees reach for sun, all life one. Me chant for healing, chant for peace, make it cease. Me see mankind lose the way, destroy what just stay. Them pies in the land, the air, the sea, forget Jah decree. But still the earth forgive and give, teach how to live. She cry but still she sing again, wash away pain. Yeah, I chant of the earth, rise and sound, circle round and round. Lift up the heart, lift up the hand, heal the land. Chant of the earth, pure and strong, correct the wrong. Every root and every stone, life well known. Me plant me seed, me watch it grow, slow but sure. Me know, me feel the pulse beneath me feet, Jah rhythm sweet. Me chant fi balance, chant fi love, Jah above. Every raindrop tell me so, let it flow. Me walk through field of green delight, soul feel light. Me see the rainbow bless the sky, spirit high. Earth a temple, sky the dome, we all home. Me give thanks for every day, Yahweh. Listen close, the earth still speak in the mountain peak. In the breeze, the song still true, calling you. No war, no greed can stay, earth find a way. Yeah, I chant of the earth, rise and sound, circle round and round. Lift up the heart, lift up the hand, heal the land. Chant of the earth, pure and strong, correct the wrong. Every root and every stone, life well known. Chant of the earth, echo divine, spirits align. Let the world remember she, mother of we. So when the night falls silent deep, earth still keep Jah voice in every grain of sand. Bless this land. Echoes meditation, yeah man. hand. Sound eternal, never done. Trumpet shine like morning sun. Blow, blow, trumpet loud. Zion voice unite the crowd. From creation till today, trumpet guide the way. Trumpet of Zion, mighty strong. Blast the truth and carry song. From the morning till the night, trumpet blow the light. Forever shining, pure and free. Trumpet call for you and me. Good meditation, yeah man. Love of Zion never end. Flow from Jah, the greatest friend. It heal the broken, lift the low. Zion love forever grow. No Babylon can tear apart. Zion love fill me heart. Forever holy, pure and true. Zion love for me and you. Zion love strong and bright. Shine eternal Jah light. Every breath a holy flame. Zion love exalt his name. He guide the children, bless the meek. Zion love all people seek. Forever holy, never cease. Zion love bring Jah peace. It cover valley, cover sea. Zion love eternity. Eternal blessing wide and free. Zion love destiny. We feel it in the morning sun. Zion love never done. It shine the path, it heal the land. Zion love by Jah hand. Forever holy, pure and long. Zion love just song. It crown the spirit, crown the soul. Zion love make we whole. It rise eternal, strong and wide. Zion love holy tight. No Babylon can block the flame. Zion love call Jah name. Forever glowing, pure and free. Zion love destiny. It bless the people, bless the land. Zion love by Jah hand. When the trumpet sound again, Zion love still remain. Forever holy, never fall. Zion love the one and all. From dawn of time till judgment day, Zion love show Jah way. Eternal shining bright and strong. Zion love just song. Shine high, shine true. Zion love for me and you. No chain, no hate can tear apart. Zion love rule me heart. Zion love strong and bright. Shine eternal Jah light. Every breath a holy flame. Zion love exalt his name. From age to age, from dusk to dawn, Zion love still carry on. on the holy peak. Zion mountain, what we seek, it rise eternal, strong and tall. Zion mountain, bless we all. No storm shake it, no fire fall. Zion mountain, overall. Forever standing bright and true. Zion mountain, guide we through. Zion mountain, high and free. Jah forever, destiny, rise eternal, never fall. Zion mountain, bless we all. It hold the prophets, hold the flame. Zion mountain, call Jah name, forever shining, never dim. It watch the valleys, watch the seas. Zion mountain, Jah decrees, eternal stronghold, pure and wide. Zion mountain, we abide. Me climb the hill, me chant a song. Zion mountain, keep me strong. No Babylon can take away. Zion mountain, here to stay. It guide the youth, it guide the old. Zion mountain, bright like gold, forever holy, never gone. Zion mountain, keep we strong. It rise eternal to the sky. Zion mountain, never die, forever shining, pure and true. Zion mountain, carry you. It hold the throne, it hold the crown. Zion mountain, never down, eternal fire, pure and tall. Zion mountain, bless we all. When the trumpet sound again, Zion mountain still remain, forever shining, bright and free. Zion mountain, destiny, eternal stronghold, never fall. Zion mountain, overall. From age to age, from day to night, Zion mountain shining bright. No Babylon can block the ray. Zion's sun forever stay. It guide the child, it guide the meek. Zion's sun, all people seek. Forever blazing, pure and strong. Zion's sun, forever long. It rise at dawn, it rise at noon. Zion's sun, bless the moon. Forever holy, never dim. Zion's sun, Jah him. It shine on mountain, shine on sea. Zion's sun, eternity, eternal blazing, bright and true. Zion's sun, carry you. When the trumpet sound again, Zion's sun still remain. Forever shining, strong and tall. Zion's sun, bless we all. From age to age, from day to night. Zion's sun, Jah light, eternal glowing, pure and free. Zion's sun, eternity, shine high, shine strong. Zion's sun, all along, no cloud, no chain can block the ray. Zion's sun, forever stay. Zion's sun, Zion's sun, shine so high. Light of Jah, fill the sky. Every morning, every flame. Zion's sun, exalt his name. From dawn of time till judgment done. Zion's sun, forever one.
Zion reggae, yeah man. Me tune up the drum and bass, feel the place. Reggae rhythm fill the air, love everywhere. Freedom sound for the youth to hear. Jah draw near. Me see them rise against the tide, still survive. Each beat me play, bring life, cut through strife. Babylon will start fi crack, no turning back. Sound of freedom set we free, eternally. Me chant for the ghetto child, keep them mild. Teach them strength in every note, lift the boat. No gun, no hate, no chain, break the pain. Sound of freedom blaze the way to brighter day. Sound of freedom, loud and clear, echoes through the atmosphere. Sound of freedom, pure and true. Jah melody carry you. Me sing for the mother, the father too. Keep them true. Every cry turn melody, unity. Music heal, music mend, love transcend. Freedom sound no fade, it's a holy parade. Me drop me verse like fire rain, burn out pain. Every soul start fi sway, night to day. Sound of freedom never cease, bring we peace. The rhythm march through time, so divine. When Babylon try silence we, them can't see. Music born from struggle deep, no sleep. Freedom song keep heart alive, make we thrive. Sound of freedom, loud and clear, echo through the atmosphere. Sound of freedom, pure and true. Jah melody carry you. Sound of freedom, let it roll, heal the soul. Righteous vibration, holy tune. up with fire in chest. No rest, lion heart beat steady strong. Just song me roaring a valley wide. No hide, courage grow like tree. Set me free, them try bring down me spirit low. Still me glow, lion heart no bow to fear. Truth clear, every trial build me soul. Self-control, me walk through fire calm. Holy song, me hear the voice of ancient kings. Freedom rings, them say stand firm in a truth. Teach the youth, me carry legacy so bright. Jah light, no enemy can tame me roar. Me soar, shot lion heart. Stand strong, right from wrong. Lion heart, no retreat. Face it. Me see the battle in the street. Still me beat, me fight with love not gun. Victory won, lion heart protect the weak. Freedom speak, me lead them through storm. Keep warm, me no seek crown or gold. Me soul bold, me serve the people true. Like Jah do, lion heart within me chest. Never rest, me roar of hope and peace. Love increase, when the night dark and cold. Me stay bold, just strengthen every beat. Complete, lion heart carry Jah fire. Never tire, drunch lion heart. Stand strong, right from wrong. Lion heart, no retreat. Face it, lion heart. Guard the land, takes this stand. Lion heart, fear no foe. Bless flow. When the storm roll again, me remain lion heart, forever true. Jack crew. Rastaman and Zion Reggae, yeah, man. Me open me eyes before the sun appear. Hear Jah whisper in me ear. Rise, oh youth, no live in fear. Freedom draw near. Me see the dawn spread across the sea. Spirit speak clear to me. Rise of the free, born again. No more chain, no more pain. Me see the soldier on the road. Me see the burden heavy load. But me heart full of courage still. Cause Jah have the will. Them try control me every thought, but truth can't be bought. Them try to silence Jah name, but me chant the flame. Me see the youth, them rise and shout. Babylon wall soon crumble out. No more division, one creation, one heart, one meditation. Me feel the drum beat on me chest. Call for the ones who never rest. Them fight for love, them fight for peace, till justice release. Rise up the free, rise and sing. Lift your soul, let the joy bell ring. Every nation, every creed, Jah provide the light we need. Rise up the free, fire ignite. Spread the love, shine the light. One step forward, no retreat. Rasta spirit, never defeat. Me mother cry, but still
struggle, me learn the way. One day Babylon fade away. Me see the rainbow after rain. From every loss come gain. Me carry the message deep inside. Jaja always guide. Me plant the seed and watch it grow. Me see the roots them start to show. Me brethren gather hand in hand. We build again this sacred land. No more hate, no envy there. Just righteousness in the air. Me walk with truth, me talk with grace. Jah glory in my face. No power of man can stop the time. No wall too tall, feel love to climb. Me feel the freedom in the breeze. Me soul at peace beneath the trees. Chant down the system, chant it low. Righteous river start to flow. Every tongue, every tribe, join the universal vibe. Rise up the free, rise and sing. Lift your soul, let the joy bell ring. Every nation, every creed, Jah provide the light we need. Rise up the free, fire ignite. Spread the love, shine the light. One step forward, no retreat. Rasta spirit, never defeat. I rise up the free, heart on flame. Call Jaja, holy name. One world, one destiny. Unity, set me free. Rise up now, let Babylon fall. Hear the trumpet call. Love is the law, truth the key. Rise up the free. When the darkness try to stay, Jah light still guide the way. Me chant me song, me soul take flight. Me heart beat strong in the night. Rise, oh people, rise and see. Bye.